Yes, after they sit
But
there.
see how the dirty PMP they want to take this and spin it up.
Well, I can't pay some. Them are fooling because people go there and talk about it.
Hear what them things are most of them get to them will try to use it for flip it.
Right.
Yes, so them are go flip it. And then the damn idiot then no, I go run with.
Because I say Mark Golden is a big bomber hole, you know, so hear what no. Him just there smile now and a gloat now for have a reason now for say, yeah man, you see it? Idiot. So them go say, yeah, right, I know, yeah, it's a yeah, government them. And a war government. So that's exactly what I go on now.
Yeah.
The big old boy, hey, business is now.
Yeah, and just for this and just hey. Some might set up people in.
Little rascal boy.
God is on Andrew on his side, man. Everything is great when Andrew on his side.
God almighty, man. Them thing are wickedness, man. You have to do it, man.
Right.
Imagine now. We know if we go pay in this new era. It's something we gone 20 odd years ago.
Yeah.
1998 Chris Barn, you know.
20 years ago.
I can't 20 years ago, but 24 or 25 years.
5 years ago. Right.
It's a 20 odd, you know. Now listen.
No, not you, Rusty, not you.
No, me. I'm me, my talk.
My son a 26-year-old, you know.
All right.
Oh.
In 1998, in born January.
But they can appeal it, you know, the government.
Appeal is one thing.
You cannot appeal again. You know, see the judge grant the money for pay.
Hey, the appeal process can be longer than the blood clot case itself.
Yeah.
And that might just waste a whole lot more time and cost a whole lot more interest.
True.
I'll be that phone as on charge, you know. They come over for now.
All right, Rusty, big up yourself.
Me call, you're going to come on back later on, right, Rusty? You come on back later?
Work off it done.
Oh.
Me go forward, me no know if me go come later.
All right. Okay.
I'll make sure you put you out there in a Rusty. Because they make sure you put you out there from early because you have to start spinning these things, you know. So that's I make all Philip and I make sure they video the people them here.
Right.
Yeah, so we need to get on this now and it's a talking point for we know, not for them.
Yeah.
Have to grab it before them.
That's it. But me I come in now because this guy come cut me yard for me. Clean up the yard, so I talk to him. So later on, all right?
God bless.
But you can't take me off. Okay.
I'm say look off you like let me touch in the dark.
Think Mr. PMP party just come like one unruly child. They just appear clean up behind them.
That's why I'm going to give birth control candy.
Eh?
That's why I'm going to give birth control. Rickster, you asleep? Rickster fall asleep now.
Eh?
Rickster look like him fall asleep now.
No morning, night, I work, him work night.
Night, England now, you know. Evening, England now.
I serve somebody.
Oh. What time have England now? 5 o'clock?
5? 2-5. Me no sleep, man. When we 12, 1 o'clock at night, me still up.
Yeah, for marinate the food for cook for tomorrow.
Me do that when them come, man. When me get all I meat, me divide it up and season it up, innit?
Okay. Me I go fly up the next year still, but I don't know.
That things. Mini
Me have
small carrot
me have
goat,
too much.
big swings and planting. Yes, step
Me
planting.
have too. Me have too much friend in England. Me don't know if nigga can cover everybody in that one visit.
Yeah, someone.
Yo.
Just structure out the day them. How much friend
Me
you have?
can't. A whole heap of friend me have in England, man. And some of them, one of a big country, my friend them live in a
Oh, they live a countryside.
S6. Yeah, S6, West 6, all down in the bush, them, you know.
Hmm.
One of my brethren, when me and him reason more time, him come from Sente, same live, like 3.5 hours out of London.
I like Manchester.
Man,
Yeah.
yeah, man.
Ready for candlelight next month?
Over Kangalite.
How then?
And as them put up say JB and candlelight 20 or
So we don't
20
got.
or
We don't
20
got. You think of.
because he was murdered by his lover.
Shaky man, we don't got Kangalite to shaky people, man.
Dark night.
Aliens. You know, just a talk about dead, so.
You afraid for dead man?
Not at all.
It's
One
appointed.
thing with
It's
this, with they
appointed.
say guaranteed day, you know, you're appointed
Yeah, man,
day,
it's
you know.
appointed to man to die once.
They can't pay in taxes.
Yeah, man. So one thing me I tell all of my friends them, wanna live the best life. When you're dead, God,
And a
you
lot of
can say
man,
one thing. Me know, you know. One thing, me know
a lot
dark
of us
night.
man in a plan.
Yeah,
A lot of
man.
us man don't like that about it still, you know, but me I advise every
Oh,
man, take out a
me
life
not afraid.
insurance policy, put your affairs
Yeah,
in
man,
order.
me not afraid for dead, brother. If I'm
Really?
my time, because you're half dead.
Mm-hmm.
Anything we born, half dead.
Few years ago, you know, me work in the
Yeah.
hospital, me didn't meet a Bridget. The man have all his spot implant, you know.
Boxer.
Yeah.
But remember, the
Implant
Bible tell
already.
us, you know, the Bible tell us he's a foolish man that does not prepare for his funeral, you know.
Mm-hmm. That
Okay.
man know exactly which part in my bury when time in dead. And he put that in a writing, so I like over here, so once in a writing, a law.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody can change that.
The item I deal with.
Oh, we just there and live, you know, give thanks for another day, you know.
Straight.
Yeah, man.
You know, we talk all about different topics sometimes. We talk like politics, we talk like
When I see them and meet again.
they never set no date.
27th,
Guys,
it's 7th of next month.
Okay. Where's the Nathaniel?
classic the live right now, guys.
When the PM something when the PM something go court again.
No, the 7th of next month, Philippine.
Okay. I don't remember.
Me can't go on classic, you know.
May I go back classic? What you mean you can't go
Yeah, we're
for
going to give us
In
strength.
black me.
How are you
I
doing
tell him
today?
for hand
Now
back.
come to if
Where you doing, Flan?
So them about
How are you do plan for classic black?
support.
Eh?
Flan, how are you doing?
How are you do?
Me and him jump off, man. We are talking about the bank account, man. And I tell him, say, me go in at the bank and pay $5,000 for open a bank account because me go in at the bank.
You.
Yeah. So
Oh.
when him a tell me, say, now you can open the bank account online without cash. He must say, you can open the bank account without cash. Me I say, no, not when you walk in at the bank. He must say, yes. Me I say, no. So he must say, yes. So in at the same time now, well, in at the same time him jump out. You know me don't like the PNP boy, yeah? You diss me right there, sir. You diss
So
me
you
right
think
this
you
now.
think
Anyway,
I
that's
come
the
with
root.
this?
This is
Yeah,
God
you diss me
right,
right
you know.
this. Yeah,
That's the
big old
root.
labor right
This is
like
God
me.
right, you
Yo,
know. So say what
Me
the
know
people
say
only
that's why me also make him black here because must be a misunderstanding.
yo, one
No, but
second.
flag you
Yeah, it's
can't.
a
No, but you can't tell the
misunderstanding.
man.
Yeah.
You can't tell the man. Say if the man tell you say go. He probably
Yeah,
misunderstand what you say.
Have to be a
yeah.
misunderstanding.
But
There's
it's true because me want bank account without putting money in there. Me want no
right.
bank account.
That
So
night, remember
it's
you was on it. You was on the live.
yes, remember, but me never
But
remember say
remember, you know, I wasn't in the box. I was in the chat.
you that correct. So
I
it's
didn't know
an
for
almost
life.
misunderstanding then. I
Yeah,
think of the classic life, a classic life.
Maybe
a
it's a
classic live,
moderator.
man.
Maybe I was a moderator bowl or a ball man.
No, man, I in black
No
me,
man,
man. I in black me, cause me jump up in the box and I say, who you call
Oh.
PMP? And who you call PMP pussy hole? So I say, you
good
know what,
morning,
boy?
Krumans.
Yeah, you know what? Me
Krumans,
a
how
block
you
the
doing
boy,
from
yeah.
morning?
Yeah. And Munchie asked me about the Planka. Where you a classic have? Me say, me a classic now have done, you know. A classic alone have something with himself. Me a one boy, me no hold grudge. That has just me, that.
Yeah,
Mm-mm.
if you want me to the tent after today done, innit?
I
You
understand.
get me?
If we have family, and we are going to
Mm.
argue. We are going to argue and fling two stone off of one another. And then tomorrow, I will that again. Yeah.
Monte ban again.
Oh, me? The 29th of this month of my birthday, man.
Oh,
Yeah,
well,
October, we don't take talk.
me,
Scorpio.
me too,
You know,
but me no hold grudge, but
me no hold grudge.
yeah,
Me no hold grudge. Me no have
me
time for
cuss
that.
you, I will curse,
And I
and
made
then
that
me
tomorrow. Yeah,
move
me no hold
on.
grudge.
Yeah.
The 29th of my
It depends
birthday,
Big
how
man.
up
much
Me
the
I
you
Father
start
Church,
sometimes.
yeah.
again.
Me never get none from my birthday,
Sometimes.
my birthday from certain people, you know, and me want it.
Dark night, you hear that?
Oh,
That night never
we
give
did,
me better you give me something.
me send you some gifts.
Me
Can
no
Okay,
send
get
some
some,
thank
money.
me
you.
never get some money gun.
Me no know, me think you
Me
give me
tell you.
like a anad plank. But Rick never give me nothing.
I never get
Me
nothing.
get,
Nothing at all.
I think I want money
Rick
gun for
never
get
give me
an art,
nothing.
man.
If me can't
Rick
recharge
never
now,
give me nothing.
anytime I recharge later, me send you something. Me can't recharge now, because
Tell you
me
if
the
I
pan
go
it.
live the day the Philippines. Tell you if I go live that day, I'm not going to show you with gifts, but boy, anyway, you did it.
Thank you, Churchill.
If it's your birthday drop.
But Churchill, that can't buy nothing. You have to get money go now.
Churchill, me no want
Oh,
to give you man a one rose in the church.
I can't
Churchill, or
believe
12 roses, you know. You figure
Money go
100
now,
roses.
It will add
or
up.
gold mine. You know how much gift me
Well,
get on
so,
TikTok? I when me looking at something £1, man. £1 like one English pound.
Get up it talking. Me see me get gift on
me
TikTok
get
and when me check it at 33 cents.
me get one
Thomas,
unicorn the
where
other
am I,
day.
my brother?
Me get a
all that promos, brother. Where the from, man?
Chroma's background loud.
What's the word?
Thomas look like him a take public bus.
Come on, you're not here.
Yeah, making go and all and fix it. Oh,
They are work, I just
no.
never do one box, I jump up.
Oh, whoa.
Oh. Say,
Yeah, no.
classic over the way.
I don't know. You look like you might keep alive somewhere. We can go over there go see what I go on. I'm
Yeah,
there for
let's sleep.
a while
Yeah,
now.
sleep.
Go on.
Black
All
Pearl.
right, on go on over there. Me I go on easy because me can't go over there.
Come over this
Philippines
way.
have go and black you over there, man. Philippines and black plank over classic.
She gone. Can't send her a
Yeah,
message.
she go over there now, man.
You like him have some
Thank you.
ceremony.
Thank you,
Ceremony.
guys.
Yeah, some
They say
ceremony.
it a
I don't
freeze.
know.
Who for life a freeze? My life a freeze or classic life a
Classic.
freeze?
Classic
Oh,
Freeze.
family over there before me come over here.
okay. Good. Anytime you out and about and I do live, what that happen?
Oh.
You hear that plank?
Where you do a film, man? Where you say they're Philly? Where you say they're Philly? Churchill, go look for me, man. Go look for me, cause you can't find me, cause you know everybody, you know everywhere, Philly. Go look for me, man.
You're in Philly?
Hey, Plank. Me live a
Hey,
Philly.
come for me, man. Come
No,
for
me
me.
not there Philly. Me not there Philly now.
Okay.
Me live there for over 20 years.
Yeah.
Bro, how you want to survive in a Philly, brethren?
Yeah, bad man. Mind my
Not
business and go. Mind my business. Listen to me. Mind my business and go my ways, brother. Me not get mixed up. Me a one
So
man
who are
army, you
them
know.
drunken people who look like them drunk all the time on the streets? Who them?
Oh,
Crackhead one, you mean?
that a Kensington.
Yeah,
That a
Kensington.
Kensington. Yeah. It's the
See
most
some
dope
YouTube
fiend.
every time.
Yeah, the most dope fiend selling in Philadelphia, man. Kensington, you know.
Oh man. Hey, so what going down there, sir?
No drugs.
Dog brother.
Shot no, I stay on.
Some place America, you know, man. The people move like a zombie, you know.
No one place, man. I see him place
Yeah, man.
that night I talk about.
It's still up.
Kensington. You see, you see the thing
Kensington,
like
man.
on
Them
YouTube.
have a documentary about it. Them are clean. The mayor now, Churchill, is a black woman, you know. Shirley Parker. So she try clean up over there.
Yeah, you need cleaning up, man.
Yeah,
They must say
them are clean up over there now, man.
First place, because
No, man,
they
me
never
still
want
know
money to eat.
enough people are feeling. We used to play cricket in Night Park, down there, Fairmount Park. We used to play cricket over there for years.
A JLP, I say.
Yeah, you hear me now? It's a JLP family, a one family. Plank, yeah, you hear me now? By yourself, I think they make you back, I will have to move on. You see, woman them in a party, I must say we are JP, you know, I must say Labour Party, a woman love them, you know, I must say we love the woman them, so watch now. You see, petal them, Philippine, and all of them when they break down them thing, we zoom on them now, so we'll just push out and make them know so they feel happy, because watch now, a whole heap of progress them push the Labour Party, you know. A whole heap of things them push, so I love them, we rate them, you see what I say? So watch now, just find back yourself over thing there. Platform where
Classic.
Where name again? Classic. I just make you know say I want this again. That's what I say. You see it. I'm gonna just move
But
on.
you can't go over there if you unblock.
Oh, we'll make sure. When we go over there, we'll make sure them know stuff. When we go over there, we'll make general.
Unblock you over there, man. Philippine.
So, I will Plank though.
Unblock Plank over Classic.
Yeah, man.
Plank, I want to the badness.
I'm going to say to you. I'm like Plank energy, you know. Plank have a little cross energy, though. I love it. We have to have him, to use him, to shield off some of my evil off away. Plank energy, powerful.
Philippine say light went out. That means you were in live, eh? Like in live.
I know when there. Him say him gone down a South Clarendon, Southwest Clarendon, I think. Gone do the promotion. Him a promote him thing. Him a show them how to build.
Oh, then gone a territory in the King Kong.
Yeah, just remember. Yeah. So the light gone. Why man?
But then they say live a freeze over there.
The PMP them a do it, man. No, I see no good.
You can't hear to my grandmother. I think it's my grandmother.
No. 3 trillion?
No, it's Clarendon.
West Clarendon or South Clarendon?
Oh, my light went out just now.
Oh, I think over Classic.
No, I did not go over there.
Oh, you're not over there?
Oh, I'm saying my light went out.
Oh, your light went out.
Oh, okay.
I got kicked out the box. Yeah. I didn't go over there because the light at work went out.
Oh.
So backup generator, they didn't have no backup gen.
I have we have a generator.
Oh.
Generator is not connected to everything is not connected to the generator source.
Oh, okay. Just mainly
the
light
computer
system.
was still on. It's just the computer was still on.
Okay.
So we're gonna make it as a man them in a Labour Party. Point a joke if when
Let me go
the
check
Labour
over
woman them,
classic and come back.
Yeah,
the
go on and
Labour
come. I
woman
tell you,
them.
if you like, cause they saying live with a freeze. You should not say in live a freeze up. I kind of depend on the Wi-Fi, man. You know, you out and about, so I use data. The worst thing when they depend on live and I try to and it a freeze, you know.
Like when you want to watch Swiss Party.
God, everything I free. Yeah, worst thing.
Pin and so I check him. We want a different Wi-Fi for me. I want different Wi-Fi user. Someone one another one come. You know, I want me jump in for the live and I want to give way and chip out on someone. Open the house, some you son. Say man, come check me out the gate and say yeah. You catch on the back and see what I say. Or you more run the line and them thing and thing there. So I say, see, that's why I'm come home, you know.
Yeah,
Yes, my
man.
brother. Do not feel you know. Respect Joe to
Yeah,
you
man.
know.
I'm down
Yeah,
for the
man.
ride.
Yeah,
Them have to
man.
fix
Hello,
it, man. What go on politics? Richard Gaff?
Who
Hey,
ordered the
me
ride? The
just
guy?
listening,
But why you
bro.
cancel the ride?
Mm-hmm. Blank mute, man. We know
Politics.
say I work in it.
What going,
Politics.
Candy?
Good morning.
Good morning. Well,
No, how are you?
I am not bad enough.
Good.
You see the news? You see the news over there? But it's something about the investment in the airport at Kingston.
The investment.
Yeah, in Naman Valley Airport.
What investing?
You can tell about it now.
What them do?
Yeah, so the live is freezing. Yeah.
May I
Okay, they
look
say it a
somewhere to
freeze.
invest in?
No, they said I think they might do some work. They might go do some work out there.
Well,
But
go
Yeah,
Oh,
they're
on.
yeah,
building
man. That was,
terminal.
yeah.
You're building
apparently,
another terminal.
apparently, when they hear it come where they must say
Not a few, no?
government funds are do it. So me that say if I really government funds are the people them where control the airport are do it. I know the airport lease
Three
out.
no weeks, I'm not see.
Oh,
Please.
anything the
But I still
opposition
our
saying,
one.
you see, this is the only time when we have to take the opposition serious. It's when it's coming to a general election,
Election, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
you know, listen to opposition, because opposition now got to have nothing to help we as a country. Them always are going to go extra deep to come
I
up with
mean,
things.
those, because when Andrew was in opposition, he was saying the things to help. He was
Well, to be honest with
basically
you, Andrew as
running on.
always, Andrew to me not care what it was. This is just my opinion. Andrew has always been one of the honest leader, even in opposition, where sometimes me I say, no man, Andrew he move more. But that's just his personality. I always tend to talk the truth and to tell you what is going to happen.
And most of the things that when him say what I do or whatever, into most of them.
Yeah, but guess what? That's why people come at him
All right,
so hard,
flipping.
because when you sit down a mobile when you go up on the road, boy, me always afraid to talk about that.
Which
We can't
you
wait.
mean the highway?
We can't wait to fly in Jamaica and see that when they done. May I tell you?
Let me
That
tell
will be a
you,
spectacle.
I always tell people, I always say,
It won't be a toll road.
JLP is not a good opposition. When I mean opposition, they're not good as an opposition, but they are good with governance.
No, they
No,
used to
you
be a good
mean say they're not good with the politics, but they're good in
Hold
governance.
on. They used to
Yeah.
be, man. No, you see, Andy, that's why I believe say opposition are really back in the days, JLP, that one of the strongest opposition. When you're in a parliament, them used to mash up parliament, man. You have a hard shot. But they come out to all the shot and take talk in a prime. You used to have Warmington, that man then a play. You see, Daddy Charles in danger. But when them rid of them strong up people, them never used to win. But see now them have a different kind of candidate, them MP. And we are see the results. So sometimes to say, I don't know, Jamaica people sometimes I love when you show them what go on.
Ungrateful and ungrateful.
Because when
sometimes
anybody won't remember in a PMP time, when JLP used to come within and show you the road. The road now fixed, patrol in the road. People can't get no running water. But you know to say PMP not care about people. PMP not do that. When last year the PMP then come out and talk about bad road. Them can't do that.
If not if you talk about it, they can't talk about it.
I just enjoy problem.
The reason why they can't go talk about road now.
To be honest, even though them with that problem, because them never fixing how much fear them did. But it did in a rickshaw. It's there, but guess what? Them not care about the people. So them not gonna look for that.
But that's true.
Let me tell you, PNP fix road which why them know them people them there. Because even in a western Selanzo, it's some of the road them on a water house, Riverton. Some of the road them on there so fix up.
They say they fix road which part I don't believe so they fix road with them people in the night that.
Just they go say, they don't know about that, sir.
Them not do it, can the trust me.
No man, some of them do it. Me go tell you which part. Me tell you. It's down a Clarendon, down a Cousins, constituency.
No man, that's errors.
No, me I tell you. Listen up,
maybe them do one road. Can they listen? Maybe them do one road.
Me have people live down there. Me I tell you.
Can they?
Me I tell you. Them fix up. It's the part which part him getting most vote from. Him fix this stuff. Down a train line. Come up. Him fix down this over there so pretty. Over there so capture land. And be a PNP over there so.
Can they out of 90%, out of 100% maybe in do 15, but me can't tell you. You see this so that a part there Clarendon have the most bad road in the Clarendon.
Yeah, because my grandmother lived the road bad. Up there, sir. JLP live there, sir. There's a JLP live there. No.
How we can get them the argument from?
We are telling us them not fix. The people don't fix road.
How we can get them about southwest?
Me I tell you, say, him fix which part him a get most time vote them a come from. Me I tell you, people live there.
No, as I was saying, I can fix one little road. That's
somebody say a true him fix which part him a get him vote.
See somebody else said they live there and he say Irish road.
How can they?
No, Irish road, you know. I play some.
I want people come say a true. No go so.
Can they? Maybe he fix out, as I say, out 100%. He may fix 15, and I 15 when he fix earbud. But that part there, Clarendon, trust me.
The part there, Clarendon, worse, run now. I regular, go the same.
Yeah, I'm telling you, two worse consistency.
You see, you only go road, Pan Cousins Road, so. When you're coming from Tollgate to Milk River, where Jamal go and Red Stripe in fix up.
Yeah. I see him up where Dolly did the thing. Dolly.
And over the train line. When they say one train line where you capture land and a PMP over this one.
One train line. That's how long I've heard them feel where you talk. Then so all of this are not dig up.
We know the 4 parts not on the road because of this. So my grandmother did 4 parts not on the road.
Then this are not good. I'm candy. The person will tell it.
Well, the train line maybe she attack. We come from Tollgate way. I know for this.
Yeah, this is me attack. I tell you over there, so which part him get him vote them from.
No, sir, I get get it what I told yet.
Yeah.
If Mr.
Alright, look here. Morning, guys.
Every year.
I'm too nice.
Cousin constituency is extremely large, right? And if Cousins doesn't really fix road, because once you traverse through his constituency, you realize that he doesn't do any work in the constituency. Maybe he might fix a part the other day, but otherwise from that, Cousins constituency road is extremely bad.
That's what I know.
It's a 4-part road is terrible because a 4-part my grandmother live, my cousin them live. When we go 4-part, I say Jesus Christ, it's not a representation over here.
And 4 parts road, that one I best part of it. Only part funny good I've coming from Tollgate to Milk River.
Jaja.
That's the only good part on the side, so. But the rest of it, no. No, it's not good, Missy. I don't know what is wrong. And I already now fix now bush has cut in there.
Don't get such nice park program now, man.
Yeah, I hope so.
Before in turn Cruffy, man, I used to do most road. I did respect Azan. It's when Azan first become a member of parliament. I'm first or in second.
Alright, that
I tell you, say, the man fix every road in a constituency. When you go through Azan constituency, every road, the man cut out road at some place. People used to wonder where you get so much money from the road.
I'm tell you, it's the park. It's the avenue them not doing any park. You know, Anthony Hilton fix the one them with the in front time office.
But
otherwise, him not fix none else. I think after late general election I come, you see them start dig out part of, like dig out the corner at the sidewalk them. And I say, wait, them a dig out the corner at the sidewalk, because the first me I see this, them a go fast. Them say them a put road pan there, them a fix the road. And if fix the when them say them fix on the road, because them just mal it, surely come all pan to the road, smooth it down and then that's some asphalt over it. The rain fall, that mash up again.
Guy road now there properly.
Can me say something last night? Yeah, 18. Oh, you didn't just use it as a okay.
I use it as an example. Me at 24.
Okay.
But
are you interested in politics?
Yeah, me like how you're young in the politics. Because, you know, we need young people. And Shanna is young as well.
Very informed.
Yeah, I love
that's
it. I'm in love with that Shanna. Shanna, she said she was raised in a, you know, over that side there. And she made the decision. She made the decision. Hold on there.
But big up yourself, Candy. I love how you're interested in the politics and you fight for your country. Because that's what you're doing, you know. Because when Melissa man like you, Blair, and them man, they talk, boy, I don't know.
Them man can't inspire no young people. I'm certain of that.
You can put up a sentence together.
Politics.
What go on, blacks?
What go on? I come from down the way there, but southeast, me state, but I know where one of them players there. You hear me say? And
just put it on
tell you, I see them players there. Them players are worst players, brother. And I can't tell her. And if not, I can't tell her too. You get me? You understand? From Yorktown, go right back one, go straight back one, come back to Sedgepan, go back down to Race Course, Water Lane, all of them players, again me a bit. All of them part there.
Yeah, man, guess what, blacks? Them know so them can't lose it, so that's you see them.
Yeah, they can't lose down there. I tell her, they're not going to lose.
What them people are doing, them do drink out. So when them ready, them go to the constituency and then meet up at one bar and the whole of them drink and
floss them.
And floss. That's what they do. So when you believe a driver here say, oh, bad road and them are going to lose. No, them not lose. Them know them have to do if you win. So,
yeah, but remember saying that no cut to politics, remember say for Ascot days, it's here saying
so that may tell her, oh, he's the only man, you know. Remember, so the last election of Ghana, I'm the only man in the PMP be increase in margin, you know. Everybody else decrease, you know.
I see a brother was there when I know a long time from me I got school. From me I got school in my work and I want to go Chinaman place. How old a man for me? I'm about 50 years old. And that man said to me the other day, I said, boy, if all my vote a PMP vote for Ascot. And he never see Ascot fixed on road yet. And he still a vote.
He still a vote.
I tell you, he still a PMP. I tell you, I'm going to vote here. Don't you see? When me hear that the man said, brother, me laugh but I'm more. Trust me. Because more time I tackle them all the way. Hey, more time I tackle all of them now because, all right, yeah, sometimes I gamble race horse and I go with them there. I'm going to go with them there, most PMP there. More time, they fear of me, they not talk to me. Because they know some know all for things. So they always shut up when time I come around and they talk about politics. You get me? But brother, I wish what them for me I go down and Garvey way there. Because Garvey give me a bit. Brother, I tell you all the time, I know might be only good look up the road by there. And it might far when you go from Yarmouth is a stretch there. Right at Yarmouth, there's you look up is a road there where good before you turn back again a bit. On that episode road they good. Yarmouth is a road.
Yeah, but in the comparison from work on the stuff.
I think as a young MP would have do better. But you know, as I said, them know them, you see.
I see them in it. They know so they're not working at them.
Yeah, you can't blame them.
One thing, let me tell you. You see, once you run, you see, it have to do with party where you run for, or the party where you're in. You see, if you run for look, for the candidate, them run for the Jamaica Labour Party. Look, when them run, them have the people them interest at art, so them will go do what them supposed to do. You understand me? I say, look for the PNP candidate now when them run. If them business with people, them run because of what they can gain.
Andrew does something with you.
Yeah, morning again, guys.
Honorable.
You classic go there politics. Give man.
Yeah, man, let's stop.
Morning.
Yeah, man. I'm not stay along with you. So, guys, I'm sorry to the people who came over on the live and they said the live was freezing up. There was nothing I could do about it. Yeah, man. Nothing I could do about it. But I hope that the last two interviews that I did, and those two interviews I will definitely post because the Leaf Canadian initiative, this is the people, these are the people who got the $1 billion from the Canadian government to give to our government. And they would have engaged 30 youths in Clarendon to teach them businesses, to encourage them to do businesses. And they will be here for a year in Clarendon. And see, 30 young people now have a business and they'll be getting $150,000 to put towards their business development, etc., etc. So we also spoke to Mrs. Coy, who is one of the manager at Leaf. And as I said, I spoke to Eureka Douglas, who is the manager for Parish Development Committee in Clarendon. And I'm going to post those because I see Howard came, and Howard left early because he does not want to hear this. And we are going to ensure so we dismiss all of the lies and propaganda. Anywhere we forget it from, I could have under one rock, we're going to dig you up and show people, say, these people ain't too damn lie. They continue to tell these lies, and all this I do is tarnish our country and tarnish international relationships. Them need to stop it, man. You want to see the young people them inside there, them happy. You understand? The PNP now do this for them. The PNP will never ever do this for them. And I can tell you this, when I go to Cherry Tree Lane in the next 2 hours, I can tell you that the MP, which is Cousins, he did not even contribute $1 to that initiative.
And he's gonna be over there trying to
now.
take credit now.
I doubt he's going to be there because it's the second time we are doing something in that constituency, and he never turned up at the first one. So he'll definitely not turn up at this one.
I would have beat a while ago too, you know.
Me here, man. Me here. And it's sad enough because cousins and I were classmates in high school. You understand? And even though them have for them money and them have represent the people in one way, we are doing the same. We are representing in a more positive
make a bigger
way.
impact.
Them are get paid for represent and them not represent. You understand? Meanwhile, we now get paid and we are represent the right way.
I represent themselves, classic.
Just keep on contribute to society best you can.
Exactly. Yeah, man. So guys, and I go and keep up the good work, man.
And then we can share them on things.
Later, I go chop it up later and send it out, man.
Alright.
Chop it up and send it out later. Alright, blessings, people.
Yeah, man, big up. Politics.
Hi, how you doing?
Politics.
Yeah, politics. You can go back. We can talk now. Grandmother's son. What going?
Tanya Kelly said she want to say something. Send the request now.
Oh, hold on. She sent a request. Oh, Richards?
No, Sonia Kelly.
This is somebody named Richards.
Come out and Sonia Kelly come. I say want something.
I have somebody else await and Reginald.
Yeah, add them in Israel. Blackie say you can drop him.
Blackie, so we can drop him?
Big up yourself, Blackie.
Yeah, I'm at Sonia.
Hold on, we could hear from wait name the first. She sent a request and then we accept Sonia.
I can't drop me
You
can't drop me
too. Okay. So Sonia, may I send you a request, Sonia, you accept it, okay? Sonia.
Sorry, chance.
I sent you a request, Sonia. Miss Richards? Reginald?
I don't know, so they in box.
Reginald.
Yeah. How much box?
Sonia, I sent you a request to come up in the bar. No, Sonia said she want to come in the bar.
Yes, Sonia Kelly. She said I want
everybody morning. See, that's nobody no want down.
Then me send her the request.
Riga, big up yourself, brother. You don't want me to give you a link.
Well, I know. So let us hear from Sonia.
Hello, guys. Let's hear from Sonia. Then
hello, good morning, labor rights.
Hello.
Good morning, Sonia.
Yes,
Sonia,
I'm from Clarendon, Kempsale. Yeah, I'm from Clarendon, Kempsale.
Well. Big up Kempsale, guys.
Yes,
big up
and
Kempsale.
I have relatives in Kempsale. I born and grow there in Kempsale, but I lived there from 1970 to St. Mary with my father. So, you know, but I'm living in the United States now. Yes, man, down there never fix, and I'm 70-year-old now. And it's a bad, I'm a laborite from my barn. My mother a laborite, my father a laborite. All of we are laborite. And we get fight down there, and I'm 70-year-old. And down there never look good. But me thank God for this Prime Minister when me have. Hey, me know things are gonna work. Yeah.
So, Kelly, may I talk now? What are you? Because obviously, you know, on the voters list, but
yes,
where you do?
I have.
Oh, you're on. Wonderful, wonderful.
Yes, I vote all the while. The last election,
good.
I vote in St. Mary. I vote, and I'm coming down to vote this time.
Amen. Me love that.
Yeah,
that's where I was getting at. But yeah,
I love that.
My ID down there. My daughter have my ID. Everything. I have it down there.
You are the people me love talk to.
Yeah, man. Me not giving me this labor right. Oh my God! Remember when we have to use syrup mix tea, syrup. I remember that when my mother, when we go at the shop to buy something, we have to buy pound of rice, and we can't get the pound of rice. We have to buy something to get the rice.
Wow.
Yeah, those was the days. Sometimes when we can't get the thing, we have to line up to get 1-2 pound. We have to mix it. If we can't buy the tin of milk, we don't get the pound of rice. Them have to have married it. I never forgot. Yeah. Yeah.
In the 70s, that.
Yeah. Nothing can change me from labor right. Nothing.
A good JLP asks where in St. Mary you're from.
In Port Maria.
So you come from Kempsey down a Charu them way.
Yes.
But Sonia, may I follow you?
I used to go to Race Course Primary School.
Don't a bus of them way down there.
Yeah, I used to go to Race Course Primary School. So I have to walk from Kempsey to go to school in the morning and come. My father used to work at New Yarmouth Sugar Factory.
So your relative down there calling them? Your relative them down there calling them?
Yeah, man, them down there. I have relatives down there. Most of the other older one kind of died, but we have some young cousins and uncles down there and so forth, you know.
I mean, if
they are strictly everybody in my family are labor right, but everyone.
I mean, if it's calling is your relative them, no?
No, it's Jacobs. We have the Jacobs. Yeah, the Jacobs, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Me and some of them go to school, you know, but you know, a long time ago I don't go down there. A long time I don't go down there. So I living in the United States of America now, so you know, but I have family down there. But brother, me I tell you, PMP are no good somebody them are no good somebody them. I me tell my pitney them me have 4 children, 1 girl, 3 boy. Me say, and ya uno go vote for PMP, uno move for ya so, go so. Yeah man, they say no mommy, no mommy. We grow up and see, oh you be labor right. We have to be. And the last one coming down to vote to. The last one, I live with the last one is 38. I got 39, and we're coming down.
So where are the others?
One in Florida and one in the Cayman Island, and my daughter in Jamaica. But she visited me.
Coming.
I'm encourage them. My second son live in Cayman. He's coming down in December, and he's not going back down until we're down in the year. So I think he's going to vote too. But my biggest son, I don't know. I'm encouraging him to come down. And he say, I will see about that, mommy. So I'm not going at their skin.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
I follow you a long time. You not follow me.
Yeah. I listen to no all the while, bro. I listen to no all the while. All the while I listen to no. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Labor right all the way. I labor right all the way. We just want the young people them to see what the Prime Minister is doing. You know, my granddaughter just graduated from the police force January gone. And me say, mommy, grandma, me say, I want car, me I go buy now. You what me say?
Listen, let me tell you, them I get good money.
He said, grandma, I want car, me I go buy now. And she was doing other work and I fix up the house and so I said, mommy, me almost done the house now. Yes, mommy. Yes, grandma, me almost done the house now. Yes. And he said, grandma, I want car, me I go buy. That's when I come to Jamaica, me can drive you around. Yes, you know. So, you know, give God thanks, man. Let us pray for the Prime Minister and cover him under the blood of Jesus. No weapon shall form against him shall prosper.
Right.
In the name of Jesus, in cover. Every night me I go to my bed and me pray. Me say cover him, Jesus. Cover him. Then could have chat and thief this and thief that. Look at me nice Prime Minister, man. Look at him all pretty and nice.
And that's a lie, the matter.
Yes. The man humble. God be with him every time. Yes.
Lamar say him noticed the diaspora support for the JLP is very strong.
All right, Trigger. Later.
Yes, it's very true.
All right. We'll have a blessed day. I'm home from work, so I can talk. But when I'm at work, I can't come on the phone, so I can't
Come
talk.
anytime, man. And if you follow us, anytime you feel like you can come in.
Yes, when I'm home, when I am work here, we cannot use our phone here in the workplace. So, you know,
Okay.
yeah. But when I'm home, I'm day off today, so I could talk.
Yeah, what is about here these clowns? Who this?
Who's this?
Follow Rick.
Yes, we will. All right. So, we have a blessed day. I will pray for you guys.
Yeah, man. Blessings. Monica.
I will pray for you guys. You're doing a wonderful work. Yes.
Yeah, man. Blessings.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes.
And Marcia did I say something in our comment?
Okay.
Marcia.
All right. Have a blessed day.
Yeah.
You too.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Minister Marcia.
Monica.
Oh.
You can't take me down now.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Back here?
Okay. I will.
Just back. We add you.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Take me down. All right.
All right. I'm gonna do that. Hold on.
Yes.
Oh, me can't expand the box, Rick.
You know, so me notice that my back can't expand for some reason. Me do everything but me search up where YouTube. I don't know why my back can't expand.
Yes, yes, Marcia.
No, I was just scrolling through and over on the other side. They're having a problem with the government going to put the airport, going to expand the airport down by Negril, man.
There is already an airport down there?
I know.
Yeah, there's a
I'm asking.
But they are complaining that the government is doing it. Said the government want to do it out of his own pocket, and then you go build hotel. I said these people are so crazy.
They don't like the development.
They don't like to see development.
And they like start things and don't complete.
Right now?
Yeah.
Right now, the only thing me say are Jesus and the devil around right now.
Trust me.
Jesus and the devil. And we'll see who
man,
Jesus and
me said then they beat we like crazy with all these things that we are doing, and it don't make sense. I said, what? These people are crazy, man.
So that's what the country was like that.
You know what is the problem? They did not know that Jamaicans would see the light. They have the Jamaican people them in that darkness for years, years, and now one little man from out of Spanish Town go at normal school, no rich school. Go at normal school, walk barefoot, eat bread and butter, and most likely he might cook flour and put butter on the same like how we used to do it when we little. Then they expect him to come really have anything. But I love my Prime Minister because my Prime Minister is teaching the young people how to get rich.
You should aspire to be like him.
Come on. He's teaching our young generation how to save, how to do things, how to make sure they have house, land, car, business, everything. Who would want a Prime Minister like that?
You don't want him.
Well, their heart go eat out.
When when Andrew Holness win again, when Dr. Andrew Holness win again, them go shit up themselves over there.
Then heart go eat out.
Shit up already.
Look here, we better build one other Bellevue.
Every time it go bung up.
No, me say we better build one other Bellevue.
We're below island for them.
Yeah.
And just put all of them over there. They can't live anywhere they want to live.
They don't want pit latching and that's the whole of them.
Marcia, sometimes I don't blame them for beat to know, you know. 'Cause you do say, you see that page, I have 2 pages, that one, yeah. If me go on a page and me scroll till the morning,
you can't see nothing.
One page in your life.
You block them?
Because we block every one of them.
Hey,
that's what
me
me do.
too.
Me block them on this
Me
page
block
too.
them.
You don't know what more here. Tell me what them.
Me block all of them too.
When we can't notice it, you don't see the main one them come over here. So you notice you don't see them? You will see other one who me don't really know. A pass through but the main one them will vlog. Them can't find my life.
Exactly.
Lamar say, I firmly believe that some people want JLP to have the third term.
We have to know say a politics, so them are gonna fight against every policy. All when they good, them are gonna fight against every policy. So if we know our here, just not go over the cut. That's
opposition not supposed to oppose bad good things, you know, as
Politics
much as opposition, you know.
I don't go on them page, you know. I don't go on them page. If I'm passing sometime, may they pass like, you know, looking for something or just a scroll, may they pan for you page, that's it. Me no go over there. I don't even comment. Like I would click and me not have time for that.
Not even comment.
Me have one page. Me have another page. When me go over there, me comment on it.
And I watch and listen. I make sure I look at every one of the ads that are there. And once me see for them ads, no way.
Yeah, because even for me life,
every labor right ads.
Riga, even for me life, they say me, alright, so me have couple moderator well. And sometimes they put up, well, me tell them so nobody put up Sydney, Cole, and them people again. Because them not nothing to tell with them, not nothing new.
I'll Sydney, me no see why I know about Sydney.
Yeah, them expired. Them the people, you know.
And they know.
Sometimes you can right. Sometimes me tell you. Sometimes it's good to pull them up, you know, because they it's little more people in our room. They so when they get them people in our room now, when you say numbers go up, you can just kick them off your line.
Oh, really? You can't do it like that.
One of the things when me hear them talk, when me hear them talk, I say, alright, it done, yes, sir. Me hear them really say, come on, and them come to the conclusion that we cannot win the election with Andrew Holness today.
You want to listen to them. The metal say, them no Andrew, because you know, they can't lose. You see what they say, they know, in politics, that flip round, you know. It means that them cannot.
I had a way they mean, innit?
Yeah. Them mean the other way.
What they mean? Them can't win with Margol in their leader.
Aye.
Make sure Margol is not popular. He's not a popular person.
No disrespect.
No, Charles. Yeah.
He knows you don't white people here.
He must shaggy man if he shave every day.
Beard grow fast.
Wanna see the picture with him stand up and the little boy I try like talk to. That is such a poor picture though.
NPR is not he never fire NPR, may I tell you, because they not do a good job.
And why are they close?
You know, sure that he's a people person.
Him
look out of place.
Where's the camera?
A man a chef and he say, in my man, you know, a lion, you know, in my man.
Make sure you something we have to understand with Mark Golding. He came out and said he's an investment banker. Those people are snobby people. You hear me say?
Yeah, because
them not travel with the people them down there, so they are tapanaris, they don't mix and mingle. I him tell you that, you know.
I'm not on that rig. Me feel saying Justin is a point to my suck me much. I mean, I believe say,
yeah, you know,
deliberately are just like him not. Why am I just real? No, I believe say you want get because for them kind of people easy for
manipulate.
Once you do a psychology, you can't get them. I feel say that man. Because look for the man how he dress. He might come and some function and how he carry himself.
You talk about that, me see a bigger problem than that. Listen how he speaks.
Him man hardly attack again because you don't know if
Listen how the man talk. You see the I want spot meeting then do last week or this week when they catch him and say Jamaica do well. Sunday. Listen, put when few prime minister speak to in people, not in parliament. Just put him when him dep on a spot meeting or anything and listen how him speak and put him listen to Mark Golding speak. The contrast is like black and white. You hear me say? Him can manage no from a good public speaking and to represent Jamaica on the international stage.
Oh no, but you're a white man. My white man. Where am I go? I'm a white man.
You know about me not think about the man does not ready.
No,
none at all. Yeah, well, he could relevant as well. We're not gonna say irrelevant.
As a young man, I grew up.
White man.
Yeah, me I say me not gonna say no. It's relevant. Yeah,
I don't want Southeast men there no. Don't want Southeast men there man. Nah man, Scott in down there.
Oh,
Franklin with her.
I'm gonna run down.
Nah man, Scott in down there.
As a young man, I grew up.
Yeah.
So you people I say, oh, can't we don't want a white man. Make it go. Make sure I got go. And that's how you said that. So why we can't talk? Matter of fact, me see them I don't want, not that most of them not, enough of them not go vote for the lady we are run. But you have a guy who grown and do some interview. And him interview some white people. More time he interview the white section. Me mean a real white to them, you know. And ask them who them would if them would have vote for Trump or come. I pay Trump, you never hear one of them.
Them not vote for Kamala.
I mean, so when them I say it, them serious like judge.
They must say it with conviction. They mean what they must say.
It's a dominant black country. We don't want no more white people to lead it.
Oh man, white, you mad. So I can come vote to white man, Jamaica. You mad man. Must way. I get me vote for one white man.
Me here say me listen one YouTube and they say they or then come out where they and glorify the shaky brother over there so it a backfire upon them. And I said them never knows that the brother shaky. But me not believe that. I lie them a tell. And just because some of them blogger them a kick out and I said they can't believe say in go endorse him, you see me? And them I said they never know saying shaky. Or them if you don't know saying shaky. You want them to say, and they not just hear about it. If they did just hear about him, would I understand, but they must have known about him for a long time. So
the man shaky.
Then will I know saying shaky.
Because you have one man will come out. Our opposition leader is very demure. He's very mindful. Never see the one there.
Yeah, the one where the big one big body one.
One big, yeah.
Indeed, there me see films up when in their conference. They will I know saying shaky, but me say them a get a big backlash over there.
Me hear one man say, even though Andrew Wallace not do body no, hear one man. Me, one PNP man there orange shot. Me say, me, rather Andrew mash up the country than vote for nobody it up. When them supporter them say, me lose that for no, I rather make Andrew Wallace mash up the country than nobody it up.
Then woman married to no shaky somebody man married to see him way.
They will I know say the man shaky man. But that just because them things say when them come out and say that, oh happy 1 year, blah blah blah, it would have gone on well. But a lot of them
but them a come spin the narrative say I'm TikTok. I'm 1 year and on TikTok. But I know 1 year I'm on TikTok. From the on TikTok long time.
Our happy anniversary.
Our 1 year anniversary, they say happy 1 year.
One thing me know is stick. It do a lot of damage.
Yeah man, it do a lot of damage for them man. And that me tell you said that's why them a try for damage control. Come here, said problem over there with the boat, you know.
The regular one them get jealous because they might say, oh,
Yes, they not get the recognition.
The B man I get recognition and them not get
Them
it,
not
and
get
look how
none.
long them a do it too. Yeah. So jealousy a go on between them and the B man.
I'll just go in iPan.
Me hear them a beat hard and I say, oh, we out there every day and not be MP. Somebody
Oh,
they
Sydney is here. Sydney is here. Sydney want come up.
Philippine grandson, did you have to take him down in a long time?
Grandson?
Yeah.
Oh,
grandmother's son.
Grandmother's son.
if not, you know, you say you can't call him by name.
Okay. Money, yeah, I prefer take long money. So now I can stay. If not, I go away. No one
because he didn't tell us if we take him down for a long time.
Sydney, I carry gifts, come give me.
Maybe you want different in nephew. In shaky nephew.
Sydney, how are you?
Oh, okay.
Mr. Sydney, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
And
you
how
know,
are you?
Sydney, me hear say, you know, no manners and you disrespect my friend the other day, Lashika.
I them first disrespect me, man. You know, so me not disrespect nobody understand disrespect. You know that.
Me hear say she come over Howard live and you disrespect her.
And say if we kick her out of the box.
No,
I like she tell. Me believe Lashika more than you.
Why?
Because you are liar.
No. Let me tell you something. Anybody disrespect me, you never, even if it you should never hear me start disrespect nobody yet unless somebody disrespect me.
When time we back up in a corner, you start.
No,
yes.
Nobody
me can ask Sydney one question. Let me ask Sydney one question. Sydney, why it is a problem when the Prime Minister said that Ingo build up the airport down on Negril, that's people get more flights in the country. So me hear one of the quarrel about it say, make sense and that no good and little man now go get the taxi driver them who they make money from man to go be for car tourists go down there now go make no money and what the pass something? Why against it?
I know problem no, but maybe I thought them views, cause I no lie. Me is a taxi driver part time. And I see those things, me get work to go from St. Anna's, go Negril and all them place and all this up there. So I'm gonna have to look on it the other way too. You can't just say the big man I get you all the while and the poor man. You cut out the poor man work. So man I go leak out, man.
No, but see me, that go bring in
work. You go lose your work.
Sydney, that go bring in more jobs.
More likely to increase. I don't understand.
No,
people would be more traffic, more people would be coming in the area, more tourists as well.
Let me then. I'm not talking about me then. The work. Me not
It means you're not gonna get no work.
I'm gonna talk with them food,
No, because people are gonna still go Montego Bay. Drive go at Montego Bay. People now go take plane from Montego Bay so go Negril and Negril so go at Montego Bay.
Yes, man.
Still are gonna need the taxi.
Nobody not gonna do that.
I have small plane, man. I don't like the big plane them who go Canada and go America.
So aerodrome, no, no big plane now go do that. You have you have a small
songsters. And develop it more and read a better.
Our airport. It's ours.
They never sell.
But
No,
Sydney,
No, it's lease out. Lease
not
out.
sell, man. A divest, man. The player, you think,
It
all right,
lease
who you
out.
say sell, you can take it up where with your divest, man.
They
People
lease for
busy.
30, in airport lease for 30
30
years.
years.
When I feel we said we man a business around.
And we still
A
make money a
business.
fight. The government still make money a fight.
So I know. That's why I
But
go.
what
So
I'm saying,
I
Sydney,
just
listen
that
what
me I
I'm
think
saying.
of.
Sydney, give me a chance. Listen what I'm saying. When that airport, because I upgrade, then go upgrade it. Create more job on the Western Island. A lot of jobs is going to for work as something there. People, the luggage man them, then go want all of those we say go create more job.
I think about himself.
Me see the other way. So you know.
He might think about
I
himself,
just
you know,
say.
you're not
But
going to
we
think
have to
about
take more really good. As me say, your views, I don't know see it that way there, and we see it that way there. So I don't really see it as no fight against no nothing. You know, everybody talking views. Because everybody wants
Good day, good day.
so you know really a fight over
Can I ask you a question, please? Well, on there, too much noise. Too much noise.
Yeah, everybody can talk one time. It'll get over noisy.
Yes.
Christopher said, "Well, ask Sydney a question." Go ahead, Christopher.
Divest is selling. When you divest,
I don't ask Sydney one question and go because they are Sydney.
Yeah.
Sydney, I hear you. I hear you. I say about SLL.
Say the him this 1 year and him never really like he never really see it or him never.
You just talk a while ago over such man live, you know. You say a lie, man tells because he never see it. So you just come now say he say he never see it. Why Sydney? Me I tell you. But you what you say? No Sydney, listen.
Ask a question.
Make I finish with Sydney because you never talk like say. You never talk like say the man say he may see it and he couldn't get to it. You say the man never want to get to it. So you just talk over such man live a while ago. So don't come pretty up nothing.
Me not pretty
Don't come pretty up nothing.
Me still say the man see it and not deal with it. And that me say. But me I tell you what him say. I change. You guys me look like a man who see it.
Oh, you know the man.
Of the travel load, the commerce, you know. So
you know what they're looking at? They're looking and say if you land, if say for instance you live a Senti, and then you land a Montego Bay, they're looking at say, oh, the taxi driver where you'd have called for a scientific come pick you up. He might go lose out.
Right.
No,
But
but
then
what
I
they
say
were
it a go
saying,
cost the consumer more money to it. Then just no see the logics in it.
That's the
but what
bottom
they
line
were
statement
saying
I
is
made.
that when they look at I heard one of them say that when they look at the geography of Jamaica, they why let Negril airport be international, then if we put one down a St. Elizabeth, that wouldn't be no problem to them. We say,
That
yeah,
would
this
make sense.
jackass.
Yeah, that would make any
But
sense.
there's Nigger already have a spot earmarked. There's already a
Of
aerodrome
course.
there. You just need a little bit of expansion and then they build up a proper terminal. Done.
That's
If you have to go find a Sentinel, you have to go find the land first. It'll cost way more money.
Look here, as long as I know them, they do it, enough it happen.
Then I know vision
I just
band.
that with them.
Yeah, the vision thing is not there, and that's one of the problems. You know, they just say the same thing over and over and over.
Yeah.
And I made another point earlier. For me, who just came back to Jamaica, I'm not heavily into the politics thing down here. I was in the States, but I'm heavily into education. My scholarship program, awarding over 1,000 scholarships, 100 million Jamaican dollars. And you know, in our program, palace2.org, we've never asked a student what party affiliation there is. Because I have seen many students. I have cried 2 o'clock in the morning when they read the essays and trying to understand why is it's so difficult. You have a person doing medicine, have to pay $40,000 a year to do medicine. And our program has produced over 200 doctors that have, that have now graduated and are working all over. The key thing, each of us to try and do what we can to bring up Jamaica, big up Jamaica. And I'm a proud Jamaican. I used to come from a ghetto.
Nice one.
Yeah, man, I used to come from a ghetto, left Jamaica in 1975 to do engineering with $50 because that's what they were allowing you at that time. And I'm back and I just love Jamaica. Nobody can tell me say there's another better place than Jamaica. So
no, we're better than Yard.
No, man, can never ever be, man. So just bigging up, and I'm in the background listening, yeah?
Yeah, man, respect.
Bless it, love. Yeah, man.
Yes, politics.
In politics, this is the politics. Politics live up. Every rate 10.6.
Oh no, man, and that man up a deal with some customers or sometimes. Once me come off, I have to make one call.
I think I can't see they come make a jump man.
No, I don't have a problem with it. Just that me now want to where am I gonna come with it? You know, say to be honest with you, Sydney, I not no problem much with it.
Yeah, me too, but him disrespectful to Shika, I never know, sir.
Philippian, the only time he was not disrespectful is when he was on one of these platforms.
Well, yes,
as long as he's on anybody else, they treat them platform. Them deal with me same way too. Them deal with me same way. So me no. If you come here, so you can't
try to appease them ego in it.
Yeah, if you come here, so you can have a half decent discussion with him. But if you ever say you are going over for them, got discuss anything with them, man, them angry up and deal with it like, yep, it happened. Yeah. All of them. Yeah.
I really have to congratulate you guys who
come here, pass such man life, where my God, that's why I come asking that question. If I hear my behave.
Yes,
the man get the paper, the man tell him to what say. If he take out him money and him all the man at the team say, oh, you sure that's yes, man. You take me say, if you hear the man I go on over there. That's why I come ask the question.
Last night I had a meeting, but you no talk about the meeting last night. Why never good? What happened?
Which mean that
was? You don't know about it.
You mean the Young Jamaica meeting?
Yeah. I wouldn't know what you mean. I understand.
The one where the Prime Minister, the one that the Prime Minister was the one that the Prime Minister attended?
Yeah, the Prime Minister was a surprise visitor, right?
Yeah, man. I watch it. I saw it, man. I saw the speech. Yeah, man. I see it.
Remember, what's your name that was on the program screaming because when she left, the Prime Minister was there.
Oh, she never know, say.
She never knows that the PM was going. So when she left, the Prime Minister was there. She come. Who for live was on?
Oh, last week I
Rusty
never
Live.
hear.
You guys were on
Big
Rusty
up
Live.
yourself.
Rusty
I was on Rusty Live.
Yeah, she was excited and she was screaming and she mad because she can't believe that she not see the Prime Minister.
Mother Bex too.
I was on Rusty Live and then I got a call on my other phone. So after using my phone, I went and I started scrolling and I realized it was on. So I jumped off and went to watch it. And my takeaway, it was, trust me, informative. He reassured us that he's gonna make sure that Jamaica people going to be prosperous.
Remember, Miss Chin was Miss Chin come up on that. Miss Chin come up on that talk, man. Him say that them dead body, them can't get Jamaica.
He can't get Jamaica. And when me hear talk like that, me say yes.
Yeah, man. Miss Chin said, man, the way man don't talk, man said, not even under him dead body.
Yeah.
Them can't get Jamaica for
He said
run.
they can't get Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
And the part that I take away and that I love, when he said, for the young people, they must keep focus. He said, I'm asking the young people to keep focus because you can be rich. He said you can have a big house, you can drive a nice car, you can own business.
And he never get rich off for the black people and poor people.
Well, make sure wait me.
He said, I'm asking you all to invest. And him say again, say we mustn't what he don't like, bad mind. People bad mind people for what they don't have. And he said, never you go that road. Basically, he was saying that. And he was saying that, you know, everything that young people want is just a fingertip away. Just do the right thing and keep focus.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And I love that, you know, I love how he encourage young people them.
You know, I repeat this all the time that you can always learn something from the PM. You just need to listen to him. Yeah, and based on what we're getting from over the other side, it's nothing of substance. It's nothing anybody can take away. As I've always said also, they're not going to tell you, okay, if they on this green side, they're doing this. We here on the orange side can do this. No, they're not going to tell you that. They're going to come with lies and distractions, propaganda. That doesn't feed people anything like, how does that elevate me or change my circumstances? Yeah? You're running a campaign based on propaganda and lies. Oh, I mean, and we need to let people understand that's exactly what they're doing. Okay, so the PM grow the economy at 2%. You can come and say, okay, we have a plan that, okay, we're going to grow the economy at 3.2%. Or you have this program, I have this program, we can do it better, you know? They're not doing that. All them are come with are pure foolishness and distraction.
Bottom line is
to make people. You see, if the people them where them are full of become educated, and they will never see power again.
1 minute, the
Never.
Philippine. Rick, stop.
Because them are.
You know black the boy when you're Shango, no?
Yes, Plank.
You know black a boy when you're Shango.
Him
down there, man. Black him, man.
No. Oh, who is Shango? Hold on, let me see. Let me see who is Shango. But
somebody reply to Shango. Somebody replied to him a while ago.
Idiot.
You know, I go find him. He's in
black now.
He's in the bin.
You mute him?
Yeah, man.
Mute and black him.
It might give problem.
Okay.
I just
Yeah, man, go
listen.
ahead.
I just listen over
I'm gonna
Cash
say
and a
this
while ago.
again. Let me
Sorry,
say
go
this
ahead.
again. Let me say this again. I've said it before. Fraud take place at financial institutions in Jamaica sometimes. We had a fraud case at SSL, a private institution. We've had fraud at NCB. We've had
NCB.
fraud at Sagicor, where employees misappropriate funds within the company. These are private companies. Yeah, these places don't have any government association.
So low Philippine.
What happened in the 90s was due to direct government policy, which caused by the then PMP administration under the leadership of PJ Patterson with the finance minister Omar Davis, and his advisor was then Mark Golden. Yeah, Mark isn't new. Who hike up interest rate. Yeah. So when the central bank hike up interest rate, everybody else interest rate gone up. So that created an impact on everywhere else in the entire financial system. And that caused the financial meltdown in the 90s, which led to the PMP forming the company called FinSac, which was also disastrous. Hold on.
People just convince you more and more that them have nothing progressive to do. Sorry, go ahead, baby, go ahead.
Sorry, Miss Supervisor, that talked to me. Yeah, so I want people, I said the other day, yesterday, yeah, I said I want people, when they talk about it, they need to highlight this, because I see one sneaky video where they try to link SSL and this, which is just crap. What is that? It is just foolish what they're trying to do. It's stupid. Yeah, them always are trying to lead people down some stupid path of misinformation. Right? They don't believe in educating people and telling them the truth. And if you cannot tell me the truth, it means you don't respect me. Yeah? It's when I explain certain things, you have to explain it that people can understand. Yeah? Hold on.
These people are just non-progressive people. When we say non-progressive, they have no plans. Not them think, not that them do. Right? Can compare to what this man doing, and every day all them do is just talk. I just come off of somebody program a while ago, and the Prime Minister introduced nuclear power plant to a country and trying to take the country out of the disaster where it in and bring us to a first world country. And the people them over there talk about, boy, what am I doing? No know what am I gonna do? I blow him blow up Jamaica. I mean, listen to these people and say, them not understand where the world is at today and where the world is going. And we must stay back and appear all time backward thoughts and thinking.
Open.
And them can't see what the man. Yes, sir, go ahead.
Open. Let me say one so when I can continue.
Yeah, man. Go
you know,
ahead,
say
man.
a lot of people don't know a lot of people don't know what a nuclear power plant is. They just think because they say nuclear is a explosive, you know. You know that?
That is exactly me I say when me I come with. Cause I just hear them attack it over one of them program a while ago. Around 6 somebody over there and all of them line up attack. Say oh the man this, oh the man that a nuclear, but as we say, the man signed the deal already, and we know what is good, what is there for us. So all we have to do now, and all we have to do now is open up open it up to the world, to the Jamaicans them now who don't understand, and make them understand what it is. Right? What's the benefit we all of we as Jamaican all get from it? Yeah? Everything that this man does, progressive, them talk it down. The man said about build a next airport. Sorry,
Let me
go
ask
ahead.
something.
Yes.
The nuclear reactor,
plant?
whatever they have.
Power plant.
It is for medicine, right?
Power
It's for
plant. No, it's a
medicine?
power. No, it's a power plant.
It's a power plant.
It's
Yes.
a Canadian
Because I know
government.
they also
Electrics.
Electricity, yes. New modern we have given us electricity. So so we don't have to buy all the oil and all them things. We be a cut back a whole lot of thing. Whole lot
I
of
know they
spending.
have nuclear medicine.
No,
I think it's a part of solar system too, you know.
No, not
Different
solar.
from it?
Different from it. Solar
Okay.
what we get from the sun. This is more advanced. This is a more advanced technology. Yes, we are them use because even him say it and him said the other day when he was away, him book a young lady, a female that she's a nuclear scientist. So and she's a Jamaican. The man say him feel so proud. So people like that we need in our country, and the younger generation here now. Yeah, and the younger generation here now are open to what is happening in the rest of the world. You understand? They going to want to learn how to get another system there, and if anything, they can go abroad and get good jobs. These idiots were there, so them they said, boy, I mean, no, me just sick of the people and the way them done. Everything that this man does, as long as it's something progressive, and you point it out to them and say, look, we are a back of the line, you know. It's time we move up now and open up the country now. Give the young people them a chance. Them can't sit so. I talk to one of them and say, when next airport, when the airport will benefit? I say, you know how much people don't necessarily get jobs?
But open discussion, they can't stop in it. You know, say some right now the government have got to think about if extend some of the hard. As they full up in they can't hold nobody.
Hello,
Yes.
Mr. Arthur, good.
Yes, there's
What is
nothing wrong.
going on?
We have
So
space to do it.
good.
We have the
And
space
they
to do
have
it. The
online
facilities are
programs,
here.
guys.
Yeah. The facilities are here. Then we can do it. I love that. Yeah.
They have a course going on online. It's starting at January, I think. Supervisory management.
Yes,
At
yes.
level 3, they have a micro entrepreneurship course that will be online. You don't need to go and check out it. Trust me.
Man.
A lot of people don't know, so you know that next to college education, you know, not even next, it is college education. As if you go up to like even
Ain't that
a
no
level,
good?
a level 4, yeah, that's a college education.
A great thing I have for the country, man. Great thing. It's only that we have a set of idiots. Dunce. Just there, just a try down people and just a talk bad about the man we are the good. That's
Some
all
people
it is.
really shallow still.
Boy, I'm telling you, I can't understand it.
Always look for it, see? When I go up on the road, I always look for the people who have on the PMP and back from them. When I go up on the road, I look for the kind of people who have on the orange armband.
Politics very easy, you know. So we call the people
No,
and retarded now, you know.
him right. Because of the quickest set of people them for beg your thing, you know. Yeah, man, the quickest set of people them for beg your thing, man.
You can just look at them and identify them.
Yeah, the guy on the live last night, him say him come from a place. I don't remember if a Portland or whatever. And him say one lane, a house down in that lane there. Everybody in that house are labor right.
Oh yes, I hear it. Yeah, and him alone. Him say him living at the yard. The yard.
No, him never living at the yard. Him say all of them people there. He say him switch from PMP to labor right. Him say him living in the community and the one set of people who are labor right, they have better education than the PMP them. You never done listen to him last night?
Yeah, I was listening. Yes, that's what I say.
All
Yeah,
right.
man.
Him say the labor right them have education, the PMP then don't. Because them the labor right them in the community, they don't look out for handout. The whole like people PMP they want handout. Yeah. PMP are first man to beg your thing, brother.
And then the other night down at St. Elizabeth now, them leader. And I said the night the man just all know me can't stop laugh. Everything the man talk about him say we. So me I wonder to myself, oh we coming night. Oh him getting at this. Him a name out the thing and tell film followers them all the country run good, etc. etc. And me I say him I say we. So oh we coming night. And then the Prime Minister do all of them things there.
The part what struck me when he said our debts are going down.
That's what exactly.
And we have money in the we have enough money. We
in the reserve.
We listen to me say he say we.
Well, say you know here we go on. In thief, the Prime Minister's speech. But if you got to put it, if you have to take out a we. If you said Jamaica,
I believe you. Yes, I believe you. I believe you know why I believe you.
Speech and he forgot to take out.
I believe you know. You know say.
Hello, Walande, excuse me. What kind of speech you said thief? I was away, sorry.
You didn't hear what we done at St. Elizabeth the other night.
Prime Minister's speech.
Who?
Marky G.
When say?
You know say we let go down.
Oh yes, no man.
I will reserve is good.
Listen, hold on, guys. Hold on. Mark is going to vote JLP.
You feel so too? You not vote for yourself?
Yeah. Mark is a capitalist, you know. Mark
you not
them
vote
fuck
for
me.
yourself.
He never vote for himself. You never hear when Karen say he never vote for PMP or Delroy Chuck him the vote for.
Believe her. She know enough anyway. That's why they kick her out because she talk too
Remember
much.
that. Remember.
She breach the constitution and kick her out.
And me have a next video with him talk about the economy and how good it is.
Yes, that's the same one.
No, not one different one. One different one.
When was this one? When was this one?
Stitch it.
I'm not sure that attack.
You know why I convinced you right? Him say in another said speech then him say and we're going on to prosperity. So me say, oh you talk like anybody Prime Minister.
He was doing an interview with Kalina Reynolds, and he was talking about the economy and how everything is okay right now. Yes, I have the video. I become ready for post this video.
So it's 2 times say then. So what's this before?
Yes, he knows things are good. He knows.
So let me ask you now. So it was what Sunday or one of them night? Them said the one we talking about. The one that you have. Which one is this?
YouTube. Go on YouTube and search for Kalila Reynolds and Mark Golden.
Yes, Kalila Reynolds and Mark Golden. Okay. All right.
Yes.
Good.
The man go to church where you expect he could have gone tell one lie, so.
Go church. Him don't go church. Hello, him don't go church.
It was a Freemason and not go church. No. It was well, I'm not going to tell you no, but it was a Freemason.
Well, something touched me when I church.
It was a Freemason.
He could have tell a lie, them say I have to talk it through.
Somebody either mention it to somebody and them say, boy, I look like him have some serious drink before him go talk in the dread. You ain't on them boom.
That me I said to
And
me
when him
must in a
talking,
drink.
you know, I want
on the
to.
phone when him saw the man look on him like
I
the man
want.
say, we must kill time out.
Yes, exactly.
We must say,
Exactly.
one man in a one blue cap. The man say,
Not,
we must.
not just, not just the,
know what must say.
not just the man at the cap. Everybody that was sitting behind him, who long they made. The whole entourage, who long they made, like them, I wonder say, what going on with him? Yeah, the whole of them that was behind him, how long they made.
I saw the video
Like
and
them
I
I say, come ready
reposted it.
that. You know see them a call him and he not here. Like he sit down pan he stand up on his ears.
No, sir.
Exactly,
Right, so come ready that. You can't say that.
the era Bariki said the whole financial world is saying it is so, it is going good, our finances is good, our economy is good. So Mark cannot say otherwise. And people must take that into account as well.
But Intel bigger lion that and get away with it.
And the thing about it, if you're listening, him name out 4 things and then him say etc. etc. That means that there was more other things we could have talked about, him just never call it out. Him never direct.
Listen,
Yeah.
remember say Mark is a politician. You don't know if you run the campaign. I wait name there, I push him, you know. When name, my man name.
Denton
Denton, yeah.
The rich I place classic. How much for that?
All them want big on.
No,
Richard Church William. Where they got house.
Rickstar.
I go try to put him in a big box, but I have to change something.
Rickstar, when you click on your big box, you can see one little box something there up at the top.
Yes.
When you click on your box.
Them, not give me it.
No, I'm a Philippe and I'm a click the multiple user. When I see multiple guests, I don't miss him.
Because it's weird that I cannot see it on your.
Yes, see where you see the multiple
For some reason,
users
my
when
TikTok
people then send the requests. And then see if you click on and then you see the person and then you just give the person a big box who you want to give. So click on multiple guests.
Me can't give me, but it'll give me a countdown box.
Countdown?
Yes, it'll put a timer on it.
You see there.
But it'll put a timer. If for some reason my one not just expand.
Maybe you need to take off the timer. You see your option to take it off?
Yeah, try.
What is the event happening here now? What is the event?
Pineapple and pineapple sauce and sorrel sauce. And I want to look at the age group of people that is here. And
yeah, well, what is the event about?
People say nothing now go on and whole works. And in this settings, there's only one young person.
What is the event about? What is the gathering about?
Saturday, one.
Hey, classic, you know, hear me? Classic.
All of these people are senior citizens.
I'm not here,
young
man.
People,
Classic.
Oh, one next young person there, one baby.
Classic, what the look of gathering is about? I'm not here,
Some social intervention program, man.
Okay.
What are program?
So it's a sauce making session. So these people are being used. These people are knowing how to lend me this, please. I soon give you back. Lend me. So this is what they are learning to make today.
Pineapple sauce. Okay.
So they're doing pineapple sauce. And they're also doing sour sauce. Pineapple pepper sauce. Can I see this a bit, please? And you see, I give them a booklet too to do the sauce making.
I'm going good, man. Only for initiative.
And this is Rada who gave them all of this, but it is funded by the SDC. Let me sit down a bit and skip through this.
I said they're teaching them good manufacturing practices, premises, good manufacturing practices again.
So
Sauces,
this
what is a sauce? Name of types of sauce. Sauces, liquid there. They have enough information to start up their little stuff. Send
so
them
it's
to
a daily
even
occurrence then. It's a
organization.
daily thing.
No, man. No, it's not.
No, this is not a daily. This is just a
Yeah.
project that is one day.
Oh,
Yeah.
1 day thing. Okay.
Yeah, man. So I send them to do the quality assurance at the Bureau of Standard, Scientific Research Council, Ministry of Health, and the list goes on. I talk about quality test, labeling, different types of packaging and the labels. And I show them some machines that does the quality test, the whole processing. Yes, miss? Coming. Conclusion, etc. So then what me put and showing in that part. Anyways, now go take 2 pictures, I saw who come back.
Yes. So that's good. Right throughout the country, something happening for the people. Them. That's very good.
The crisis people them say nothing now go on.
You can all imagine when the debate come when the Prime Minister hold this idiot here and really show the world and talk to him.
They say not going to lose election.
Who can imagine that? Huh?
And they say Marky are going to lose election.
They say I can't wait till the Prime Minister hold him.
You're a liar, Nobody tell the most lie like liar.
Liar like what? Don't lie that man. What kind of liar? What kind of liar? Oh girl. This one cut Who that? Mute the mic.
Guys, we're going to lift up here now, I'm going to be a long while. Get out of this place. I don't know who I go next.
Alright. Who's going live?
No, we're gonna do it now. Nobody have to do it.
Let's decide who
I think Natalie now,
can be a one.
So I don't know if somebody want to go. Natalie supposed to like.
Alright, enough respect. Show everybody.
Man, bless up, man. Show all you
Show everybody. Just keep up the good work.
We have time still, if nobody have
Big up, big up, big up. So now he has built one house.
It's my like car.
Like, prepared with a plan.
Send the facts, send the facts, send the proof. See what I'm
saying? No, them know the facts. Them know the facts.
No, so you want to send to me? Send it to me so me can know so we can stop calling me for food. I go up and radio show the other day. I mean, I'm going to talk about the boy VG fool, you see. I'm going to say, Lord God, we never know so somebody with me out there. We can't have to get embarrassed.
Hey, you get beaten all about, man.
Them beat they can't.
Look here. Look here. As them say, yeah, talk on for them side, make them not start beat you yet. And you need to talk on for them side. And
the two are the same thing. The two are the same thing. So, I just want to have the facts so we can talk on for me side. We want the facts.
Yeah, but look here.
Yeah.
But anytime I come in at home, I'm going to get one little tablet for you.
You don't forget that time. You can send me information. Watch in my WhatsApp. My give my WhatsApp number when I hang up. When I done with this, I'll send it to you so you can send me information.
All right. Didn't you hear me? Let me leave my glass.
Yo.
Support. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Know what happened to you.
Yeah, man, me just pick up back here now, because we went a blur out a while ago. What you say now?
Right?
Yeah.
So,
go on.
What happened?